coming in this Extra Mustard Minute. After 43 seasons at Nassau Coliseum, the Islanders' new era at the Barclays Center is here, with their opening night October 9th. And so, for their final preseason game, the team unveiled a new thing. Yes, for those fans who might miss the suburbs of Long Island, the Barclays and the Isles have got you covered, thanks to the team's new goal horn. Oh, that's right. Congrats, Islanders fans! You'll be reminded of the Long Island Railroad every time your team scores a goal. And for those of you who have been fortunate enough to have never rode the LIRR, here's what it sounds like. And here's the new goal horn. Hear that? That's the sound of winning. And the 705 to Long Beach.